how are you? I hope you all are good and safe. So, let us to continue our journey of the lesson. What is the lesson? Introduction to MS Word 2013. Okay. So, first of all, we are discuss our new topic, creating a new blank document. Okay. So, students, how to creating a new blank document. Okay, first of all, first step is select the file tab to access backstage view. Next, select new, then click blank document. Okay, now we are seeing our computer monitor this type of screen. A new blank document will appear. Okay, now we are doing practically in our computer. So all of you look at this computer screen. Okay, so student, first of all we open Microsoft Word. Okay, first of all we open Microsoft Word in your computer. After that we click in file tab. Okay, then click in new. Okay, after that click blank document. Okay, after click in blank document, and next create this. Okay, this is a blank document. So student, this is the procedure to create a blank document. Okay, so student, now we are discuss creating a new document from a template. Okay, so student, how to creating a new document from a template. Okay, a template is a pre-designed document that you can use to create a new document quickly. Okay, template include custom formatting and design so that they can save your time and effort when you are starting a new project. Okay, to use a template, follow the step. Okay, first of all we go to file. After that we go to click on new option. After several template will be appear in our computer. After that we are go to blank document option. Okay, you can also use the search bar to find the what you are looking for in your project or and various things. Okay, so we are doing this in our computer. So this method is also a time consuming method. Okay, this method is also time consuming method. We are quickly ready to various type of design. This method, when we use this method, we are quickly create a various type of design. So this is the very useful method in our computer. Okay, so student, now we are discuss opening an existing document. In addition to creating a new document, you may want to open a document that is already saved on your computer. To open a saved file, follow the step. First of all we click file tab, next click open option. Okay, now we are do this practically. So look at the computer screen. First of all we write something in blank document in Microsoft Word. We write Gyanam Academy Bishwanath Chariali. Okay, Gyanam Academy Bishwanath Chariali. Then we save this document. Okay, Control S. Then we save this document in desktop. Control S. Okay, after that now we are learn about how to open this file. Okay, first of all we go to file. Okay, now go to open, click open button and go to desktop. After that we search our file. This is the Gyanam Academy. Open, and this is our save file. in our computer. Now we are learned using save and save as command. Okay. MS Word offer two way to save file. MS Word offer two way to save a file. Save and save as. This option work in similar way with a few important difference. Little bit of difference this option. The first, save as. This command is used to save the document for the first time. This command is used to save the document first time. And save. This command used to save change to file that has been previously saved. We can also create a new name and give a new name to our file to this option, save option. Okay. Now saving the document. It is important to save your document whenever you start a new project or make change to an old one. Okay. Saving the document can prevent your work from being lost. You will also need to pay close attention to where you save the document, so that is easy for you to find it later. To save a document, follow the step. How to save our document? Now we are discuss. First of all, locate and select the save command on the quick access toolbar. If you are saving the file for the first time, then save as option will appear in file menu. In file menu, when we save a file in first time, then save as option are appear in our file menu. Okay, and Control S is the shortcut to save. Number 2, click browser to select a location on your computer. Click browser is located in our computer. Number 3, select the location where you want to save this document. After that, we are charged where we are save our documents. Okay, in our computer. Number 4, enter a file name for the document. Then click save. After that, we entered our file name. We entered in keyboard and save our give our file name. After that, click the save option. Okay. After that, we click the save option. And then document will be saved. You can click the save command again to save the change you make to the document later on. Okay. You can also access the save command by pressing Ctrl S on your keyboard. Ctrl S is the shortcut to save a document. So students, today class is over. I think you all are doing your homework. So please send me for check it. Okay. Thank you.